show that the radius of curvature for the catenary of a uniform strength given y is equal to a log secant x by a. Now you show that a secant x by a. Catenary means diagram is like this, just like a parabola. Okay. Now the formula is radius of curvature, Cartesian form. Formula is, we have rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square, this whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. This is a radius of curvature Cartesian form. We required y1 and y2. Now given y is equal to a log secant x by a. So y1, differentiate this one, dy by dx, differentiate y with respect to x means y1 is equal to, a is a constant, log means 1 upon secant x by a into, again secant differentiate, secant x by a into tan x by a, again x by a differentiate, so we get 1 by a. Now a cancel, secant x by a cancel, y1 is equal to only tan x by a. This is y1. Next we required y2. Differentiate y1 with respect to x. Now also y2 is equal to differentiation of tan. Differentiation of tan is secant square x by a, again x by a differentiate 1 by a. Therefore y2 is equal to 1 by a into secant square x by a. Now this is formula 1. Equation 1 becomes rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square, this y1 square means tan square x by a whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. This is y2, 1 by a into secant square x by a. Okay. Now a is come numerator. Now tan square and 1 by 2 cancel. Sorry, this is tan square. 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is secant square x by a whole raised to 3 by 2. This one is as it is, divided by secant square x by a. Now rho is equal to secant square and this 1 by 2 cancel. Remaining is a secant cube x by a divided by secant square x by a. Now secant square can cancel, therefore rho is equal to a into secant x by a. Required result. Show that for the catenary y is equal to c into, this is hyperbolic function cos h x by c, the radius of curvature is equal to y square by c. We required y square by c, which is also equal to the length of the normal intercepted between the curve and the x-axis. Now solution. Now formula. So we have Cartesian form, rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. Now given y c into cos h x by c. Now you differentiate this one. y1 is equal to, c is a constant, differentiation of cos h is a sin h. This is hyperbolic function sin h x by c, again x by c into 1 by c, c cancel, and this is equal to sin h x by c, y1. Okay, so this is a y1. Once again differentiate y1, y2 is equal to cos h x by c into 1 by c, and y2 is equal to 1 by c into cos h by c. Now this is formalized equation number 1. Equation number 1 becomes rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square sin h square x by c whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. So 1 by c into cos h x by c. Now this is equal to 1 plus sin h square is a cos h square x by c, conditional identity hyperbolic function, and this is 3 by 2, and this c comes in numerator, c into cos h x by c. Now square cancel, c into cos h cube by c divided by cos h by c. One cos hyperbolic function is cancelled. Rho is equal to c into cos h square x by c. Now given curve, given y is equal to c into cos h by c, and this is only cos h by c means what? Y by c. Now therefore rho is equal to c into cos hyperbolic x by c is equal to y by c, and this is a whole square, means y by c whole square. That means c into y square by c square. One c is a cancel. Therefore rho is equal to y square by c. This is required. Find the radius of curvature x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy at the points are 3a by 2, 3a by 2. This is x and y on it. Now using radius of curvature is a Cartesian form. Cartesian form is x and y. Okay. Now solution. First given x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Okay. Now you differentiate this one with respect to x. This is 3x square, and this is also differentiated 3y square, and dy by dx is equal to 3a is a constant. Now differentiate x into y is using product rule. X into dy by dx plus this x become 1, only y is remaining. 3a x dy by dx, 3y square dy by dx. Dy by dx you take one side. In these two terms 3 is common, y square and minus ax. Dy by dx is one side. Shift this part is left hand side. Okay. Now this is equal to, again 3 is a common, 3ay and minus 3x. 3 is a common, minus x square. Now therefore only dy by dx is equal to 3, both sides 3 cancel. Okay, cancel. Then ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. Now at point is given, x is a 3a by 2 and 3a by 2. This is x and y. Substitute x and y. Now this is y1 is equal to dy by dx means y1. Substitute x and y. A into y is a 3a by 2 minus x square means 9a square by 4 divided by y square means 9a square by 4 minus a into x is again 3a by 2. Now therefore y1 is equal to, you get minus 1. Okay. This is a y1, this part. Now go to the y2. Y2 is equal to, don't differentiate this one, differentiate this one. Using quotient rule, u by v, y square minus ax, this bracket as it is, differentiate this one. So a is a constant, again differentiate, you get y1 minus, this is 2x, minus sign. This bracket is as it is, differentiate this one, 2y, y1, y is a function of x, minus a, divided by phi square means this part, y square minus ax whole square. Now again put x and y points. X is equal to 3a by 2 and y is equal to 3a by 2. Put x and y. Put x and y. We get y2 is equal to, put x and y, 3a by 2 and 3a by 2. And y2 is equal to 3a square by 4 into minus a minus 3a minus 3a square by 4 minus into minus 3a minus a divided by 3a square by 4 whole square. And y2 is equal to minus 3a cube minus 3a cube divided by 9a raised to 4 by 16. And this one is 16 into minus 6a cube by 9a square. And this is equal to minus 32 by 3a. Yes, y2 is equal to minus 32 by 3a. Now we have formula, Cartesian form. We have rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square by 3 by 2 divided by y2. So using this y1 value and this y2 value, this is equal to 1 plus minus 1 square means again 1, 3 by 2 divided by y2 minus 32 by 3a. And the rho is equal to is a 2 cube. Okay, 2 cube, and this is 1 by 2 means square root. Root 8 means 2 into root 2 into 3a divided by minus 32, and this is equal to minus 3 into root 2a divided by 16, or minus 3a by 8 into root 2. So required is a positive. Modulus of rho is equal to 3a by 8 into root 2. This is required answer. So always required in positive, not negative.